Starbucks. No, we gotta stay. We gotta stay. We'll be right back, Bubba. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. We're back in the car because we're going to Starbucks again. It is a Saturday morning. I completely forgot to make my cold brew at home last night, and when you make cold brew at home, you have to like let it like sit for, what is it, like 12-24 hours, something like that. So obviously can't make it this morning, so we're just gonna go to Starbucks and get some cold brew.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I please have a grande cold brew with cinnamon almond milk foam, and then can I have extra foam on that?
Of course. And you wanted a cinnamon almond milk one, correct?
Correct.
Gotcha. An extra foam. All right. Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
All right. It'll be $5.17 at the window.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just ordered my Starbucks, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like the Starbucks that I make at home so much better than the one that I get here. Like, I think the foam just tastes better. I don't know. I just really am like in love with the one that I make at home, which if you guys haven't seen my recipe for how I make what I basically just ordered at home, but like 10 times better, it's in my last weekend in my life vlog. I showed the recipe. It's amazing, and you can make it at home. It's a lot cheaper and is convenient in your own home. Today is kind of like a catch-up day, I feel like. I've been working a lot this week. I need to put my king bed frame together because I think that came in last night. It's like the whole box is still sitting on my porch. I need to clean. I need to do something with Kai. I need to go to Costco. What else do I need to do? And oh my gosh, you guys, I've literally been in my new house for like almost a month now, and I still haven't finished unpacking my clothes. So I literally still have clothes in boxes. So I need to like actually finish unpacking, because that's embarrassing that I'm just like one of those people, like anything that's like laundry related, putting clothes away, folding clothes, like I would rather do anything. I'd rather scrape my nails on a chalkboard than have to do that. Like I don't know why, I just hate it so much. Anywho, so I need to do that. I need to organize my closet because I have a ginormous closet that I don't even have any clothes in just because they're like stuffed somewhere. So I need to probably organize, clean out my closet. My office is a hot mess. I need to maybe like prep some meals or something. I don't know.
And there we are.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You too, you too.
Kai, what are you doing? You just look so comfy. You look so comfy. Look the way he's like laying. You're just the best boy in the whole world. Is that you? You're just the best boy. You're sleepy in the mornings. Okay guys, I just got back from Costco. I've literally got so much stuff. I've talked about this in my last vlogs. I really am not like a big fan of going grocery shopping every week, so I really just like to like get a bunch of stuff and then have it last for like 2.5 weeks-ish. So I got so much stuff. Also, in case you guys were wondering, I recently got these huge reusable grocery bags, and it's really nice because you can totally just like pack them full and you don't have to worry about like your grocery bags ripping. And also you don't have to get like those plastic grocery bags. So I guess I'll start over here. So I saw this cold brew coffee, and they're in like little cans, which I thought was fun. And I do have my own cold brew maker, but there's so many times like today that I just forgot to like make it overnight, and I really don't want to have to go to Starbucks and pay like $6 for a coffee every time. So I got some of these just for like backups in case I forget to make my coffee. I also got a huge case, oh my gosh, these are so heavy, of these drinks. I think they're pronounced Topo Chico. Anyways, but they're like lime infused mineral waters, and I've been looking for them absolutely everywhere and I could not find them. I finally found them. They were in stock today. I got a whole bunch of coconut water because I want to start making my kale smoothies again, and I like making them with coconut water. Let's see. I got a huge thing of broccoli. You guys know if you watch like my What I Eat in a Days, or literally just anything, that I eat so much broccoli. I love pairing broccoli with dishes. I got 2 things of bananas. I'm gonna freeze one of them and then eat the other, so I can freeze it for smoothies and stuff. I also got the smoothie mix. So it's a tropical blend. It has passion fruit, kale, mango, pineapple, and banana. So like literally all you have to do with this is just like pop it in the blender and then add like whatever liquid you want to it. So it kind of just makes it like more convenient, which is nice. I got an enormous thing of greens so that I can make salads with these. And then I got some grapes, and these are the Candy Snap grapes. I've never tried these, but I've heard they're so amazing. So I'm super excited to have those. I'm really trying to get just like a bunch of like good, like healthy whole foods that I can snack on, because I'm really bad at like snacking on like junk food and stuff like that. So tried to get some good foods. Also, I saw these. They are acai bowls. They're vegan. They actually already come with like the granola packets and everything like that, so you can just pour them in the bowls, and then they're like super quick and easy, ready to go, which is nice because I really hate like blending my own acai berry bowls and stuff like that. Like it just never happens because I'm too lazy. So really excited for these for like breakfast and stuff. I got a huge thing of pineapple. I love snacking on pineapple, and it's so good in smoothies. I got a huge thing of strawberries. I love adding this to like my morning yogurt, or you can freeze them for smoothies or just have them on snacks. Then of course I got snacks. You guys know me, I'm gonna have snacks, but I try to get healthier snacks. So I found these, and these are veggie crisps. So they're made out of rice, peas, and black beans. So that's what those look like. I've never tried them before, but they look good. I got a huge thing of Skinny Pop. I love popcorn. I love just like snacking on stuff at night. So it'll be good to have this just as something to kind of snack on. Okay guys, fridge is all nice and cleaned out and organized. So I have all my lettuce, carrots, everything like that done there. Avocados, lots of lemon and lime. I have my apples and my grapes. So I made this like my little drink section. And I have my romaine, my spinach, have all of my broccoli, and then my power greens, all my little salad kits, fruits, hummus, bread, pineapple, all that good stuff. So I swear nothing makes me feel like more like ready to like take on the week and start the week than like a nice cleaned, fresh, stocked fridge. I know like I have just whatever I need to grab, it's there, and everything's like nice and organized. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and sit down. I'm gonna make myself some lunch probably, and then I need to edit a video, and then I need to upload that. So I'm probably gonna work on that for the next few hours. I'm uploading my last weekend in the life video today, and I procrastinated editing it until like right before I needed to upload it. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that for a little bit. Okay guys, update. It is now 8:15 p.m. So I've literally just been sitting here at the table editing for like forever. Me and Kai are actually gonna go over to my mom's house because she has a pool there that he loves swimming in, and he loves seeing her. So we're just gonna kind of go over there, hang out for a little bit, let him swim. Sit. Jump. Good boy. There you go. Okay guys, so it's actually a little bit later. I drank my coffee, I watched church online, and then I actually was gonna go start cleaning out like my, not cleaning out my closet, but like finish unpacking like all the moving boxes and kind of like organizing my closet. And I realized that the reason I can't organize my closet is because I'm totally out of hangers, and so I have like 5 boxes of clothes and so many clothes I need to hang up, but I have 0 hangers. So anyway, so I feel like I just need to pick up like a whole bunch of extra hangers so that I'm never out. So that is where I currently am. Put my mask on. There is so much makeup inside of this mask, it's not even funny. I really should wash this probably. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think for lunch I'm going to make one of these smoothies from the little pack that I got yesterday at Costco. Also, you guys, with my smoothie, I'm just snacking on a few of these. These are so good. I'm definitely trying to focus this week on being like eating more healthy and then working out, because like not last week, but the week before that, I was doing so good with like eating really clean, working out. Like I was on my game, and then I don't know what happened this past week. I don't know if I was just feeling lazy or what, but I didn't work out once. I was eating like just crap and like eating like snacky foods throughout the entire week. So this week I'm trying to get back on it, which is why I got like so many good like veggies and stuff like that from Costco yesterday. So tomorrow's Monday. Hopefully I can get back on the healthy train, because I definitely feel so much better when I eat good. And like I've told you guys like 1,000 times, for me it's not like about like being a specific number on the scale or losing a specific like amount of weight or something like that. It's just really like me getting back to feeling healthy, and I don't feel healthy right now. This is like the most unhealthy that I've ever felt. Like I'm really one of those people that like if something like stressful is happening, I love like I just go to food. I've always been like that, I feel like, and definitely did that during quarantines, like all the stress of quarantine and just other things that were like, you know, going around like externally that I wasn't able to control. I feel like I definitely am one of those people that like I'll just go to like junk food and snacks and just like eat snacks all day long. So I'm really just trying to make an effort to get back to feeling healthy, to eating healthy, to living a healthy lifestyle. Because at the end of the day, you only have one body, you only have one life, and what you do now affects how your body is going to respond and react and function in the future. So I really want to make sure that I'm taking care of my body well. So cheers to greens. I'd rather be eating a donut, but here we are. Okay guys, we're currently in my closet. I have a huge closet and literally have like one like rack filled up just because I haven't put any of my clothes up on hangers, and I didn't have hangers, so I finally got a bunch of hangers, which are all right there behind me. Anyhow, this is a project that I have been putting off literally for almost a month now, is like organizing, like putting all my clothes up. So we're gonna do that today. I still have like all my shoes in boxes and everything like that, so I need to like put all my shoes out. So here we go.
Yeah, I fell for you, I'm still fond of you. Got out the train, but I'm still on it. Been sober even though I'm going through it. We met in dreams, been mad consistent. Be on social media just scrolling through. Should I see a meme and wanna tag you in it, but I can't, cause it'd be weird now, you know. Oh, it's like that, you playing now. 3 dots popped up with a way, damn, I know you try to write back. I wanna take you out, treat you right.
Okay guys, it's a little bit later now, so this is what we're currently looking like. I have, again, like all of my winter stuff. I'm gonna put jackets right there, I think. And then like dressy clothes for like work corporate-y type of attire, and then just like stuff that I can wear like now during summer, I guess. I don't really know, honestly. And then I just have like all my comfy clothes, and then my denim. Still a lot to do, so much space to fill, which I will totally fill. So this is the progress right now. I actually made myself another coffee. I'm just finishing that, but I think I'm actually gonna take a break on my closet and start working to putting together my bed frame, because it's already like, I think it's like 6 p.m. or something, so it's getting kind of late into the evening, and I really don't want to be like putting together my bed frame really late. I know it's gonna take a long time, especially when like I'm the only one putting it together. So I think we're gonna start on that, and then I will show it to you guys as soon as I'm finished with it. And yeah, wish me luck. This would be so much easier with a man in my life, but girl power, right? Guys, you're a joke. What are you doing? I'm trying to build this headboard, and Kai just wants to lay on it. Guys are jokes. What is you doing? What is this doing? No, you can't lay on this. This isn't a bed. Oh my gosh. Kai, you gotta move. I have to lift this up. You gotta do the moves. Do the moves. Yeah. Step over. There you go. That's the good boy. I love you. Okay guys, it is quite a bit later. I literally just finished putting the bed together, so this is just how it turned out. I'm so happy with the way it looks. And then I just added this rug that was, it used to be in my living room. That was a little bit too small for my living room. I just put it in here. I know it's kind of small for this space, but honestly, like, there's really not a lot of room on either side. And then right here in between my dresser, it's kind of small anyway, so I thought I would just leave this here. Might push it back a little bit though. But yeah, so this is how it turned out. This is just what it looks like. I'll try to link this one down below for you guys if you are interested in picking it up, but it's seriously the most gorgeous. Just like, it gives me all of the hotel vibes, and that's exactly what I was going for in this bed. I also, in case you guys are wondering about the bedding, there's dog hair all over it, but this duvet cover and the comforter I have linked on my Amazon shop page. This blanket is from IKEA. I can link that for you guys as well. And then these 3 pillows are from Amazon, which is also on my Amazon shop page, which is always linked down below my description. And then this little pillow is from IKEA as well. So anyways, that is how it turned out. Are you so happy? Oh, are you ready for bed now? Do you love your new beds? You do. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. That's a good boy. Okay, guys. It is actually pretty late, so we're gonna wrap the vlog up here. Say bye, Bubs. Say good night. Say good night. Say good night. Oh, thank you. Oh, the kisses. Thank you. Mwah. Bye, guys.